Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to fix a blown head gasket. A typical head gasket repair can range significantly, usually between about $1,500 to $3,500. This wide range depends heavily on several key factors, including your vehicle's make and model, the engine's complexity, and the specific labor rates in your area. Addressing this issue quickly prevents further, more expensive damage. The type of vehicle you own is a major cost factor. Luxury or high-performance cars often have more complex engines and expensive parts. A simple four-cylinder engine might cost less to repair than a V6 or V8, which requires more labor to access the head gasket. Labor rates themselves differ, ranging from $75 to $150 per hour, influencing your total bill. For a head gasket repair, parts typically make up 1/4 to 1/3 of the total cost, while labor accounts for the remaining 2/3 to 3/4. Beyond the head gasket itself, you will need new head bolts, engine oil, fresh coolant, and potentially other small seals or gaskets. The time involved, usually 10 to 15 hours, translates into a substantial labor charge, making up the bulk of your expense. Deciding between a professional repair and a do-it-yourself fix is a critical choice. A certified mechanic offers peace of mind, expert diagnosis, and usually a warranty, ensuring the job is done correctly. While doing it yourself can save hundreds of dollars in labor, it demands advanced mechanical skills, specific tools, and a time commitment often exceeding 20 hours. Consider your experience and the potential risks carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.